Hi again, everybody. Perfect Storm Trading here. It's Wednesday, May 18th, 2022. On Monday's video, I had given out the 16th as a possible turn date off of the one of the math calculations from Plato that I had come up with, and we had a turn date that I put out at the beginning of the month of the 17th. So the 16th, 17th were connected. So we've got this high yesterday on the 17th. We'll see if this holds. I'm going to look for some places to get short today now. I'm going to flip over to the Vedic timing window chart. Here's the Vedic chart. We're looking at where my cursor is by this ellipse. This is the high of the day yesterday on the 17th, right after the evening open, about 18:20 or so. Here are the timing lines and windows from yesterday. There were three nice shorts triggered off these timing lines here, here, and then one here late in the day. It doesn't look like much, but it was a 10-point move. Now, early in the morning, we had the overnight low in the early morning window, about 4:48. You can see overnight from the high, we just had this market drifting down, drift down about 40 points or so overnight, and now we're still inside that range after we made this low here where I've got this blue vertical line. So it looks like we may push further down now after that reaction upward. So if you were awake in the Euro hour, you could have possibly pulled something in on this, but now assuming that this high is in off the swing dates, I'm going to be looking shorts for shorts in this next timing window. So our last window for today is this green B1 window, and it goes from about 8:11 till about 12:17. So that's a fairly wide window. And what I do in there, I look for the blue Astro Excel Moonline trigger. I look at the rainbow timers and also the PH times. So what you see are the vertical lines that I've drawn in to give us places to look for these turning points. So we're going to look for shorts in this area here. We've got this first setup is between 8:30 and 8:44, these first two lines. So that'll be our first point. The second one is about 9:10. Yesterday the key morning trade right before the open triggered at 9:16. So we're close to that on a 24-hour cycle, that right there at 9:08. And then we've got triggers later. We've got a 10:04, 10 o'clock to 10:04 trigger. That was projection, and then we've got the PH 1026 timer, and then we have a Moonline peak, which is the red line here. That's about 11:14. And again, there's always the beginning and the end of the windows to watch. So I'm looking for shorts during these points. We'll see what happens. We may, all likelihood the high was in here last night. We may break down, and if we retrace back up to these time points, it's going to be good opportunities to put your trades in. So that's it for today, and we'll see you again in a day or two.